Ramayana binds India with the trans-oceanic countries. The great saga of Rama, the epic Ramayana visualized by Maharshi Valmiki, has traveled far and wide, has reached farther shores through scholars and writers traveling with sea voyages of traders. There is no reference in the history of any Indian king invading any other country to establish separate colonies. Ramayana is the treasure house, an inexhaustible precious mine for later poets. It is translated into all Indian languages and to several languages of countries beyond many oceans. It is seen in the ancient architecture and as living tradition through art, music, dance, and literature. Ramayana is Rama's ayana, that is Rama's journey in the path of ethical values. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. Rama is the epitome of virtues. Sita, who marched along in his journey on the moral path, affection between brothers, and the great service by Maruti have made deep impact in the cultural psyche of people in its voyage. Everyone aspires the good to prevail upon bad, like Rama's victory over Ravana. The kings in Southeast Asian countries endeavored to rule with the ideals of Ramarajya. They have created their own versions of Ramayana. Ramkin, Ramakirti, Ramakatha in Thailand, Ramkher, the glory of Rama in Cambodia, Pralak Pralam in Laos, Kotan in China, Hikayat Sari Rama in Malaysia, Yamayana in Philippines, Ramatyagin and Maharama in Myanmar, Burma, Kakavin Ramayana in Indonesia. Main events of these variants have followed Valmiki Ramayana along with some modifications. Antiquity of cultural bond of Indonesia with India goes back to the period of Valmiki Ramayana. In Kishkindha Kanda, Sugriva describes Java Dvipa of Indonesia, known earlier as Yavadvipa, of 7 grand kingdoms to his army to look for Devi Sita. Yatnavanto Yavadvipam Saptarajyopashobhitam Suvarna Rupyakam Dvipam Suvarnakara Manditam. Ramayana is the national epic of Indonesia. Popular Kakavin Ramayana called Ravanavadha, written by poet Yogeshwara, follows the Bhatti Kavya of Sanskrit language. Ramayana ballet is performed in the backdrop of Prambanan temple in open-air theatre. It is a beautiful combination of art, drama, music and dance. Over 200 Muslim artists of this ballet say, Islam is our religion and Ramayana is our culture. People in Thailand identify many events and places of Ramayana within their territory. Ayodhya was the capital of Siam kingdom, where different dynasties called Ramadhibodhi, Rameshwara, Ramaraja, Ramadhipati reigned from 14th to 18th centuries. The kings of Chakri dynasty carry the title Rama. Their present king Mahavajiralankara is Rama the 10th of the Chakri dynasty. Sri Rama Kirti Mahakavya is written in Sanskrit in the last century by Pandita Satyavrata Shastri, which is based on this Ramkin. Ramkher, the glory of Rama in Cambodia, is seen as bas reliefs on the walls of Angkor Wat temple, which is the biggest Hindu temple in the world. Depiction of various events of Ramayana are seen as sculptures, paintings, shadow puppet shows, and dance ballets in Cambodia. The study of Valmiki Ramayana from geographical aspect gives very valuable facts about surrounding areas and the distant lands. In Kishkindha Kanda, Sugriva gives description of 3 peaks of golden Taladhwaja, which looks like Trishula, built in the eastern mountain range to his army to look for Devi Sita. This is recognized now as the mysterious geoglyph, a trident on the mountainside at the Bay of Paracas in South America. Historicity of Rama as the Emperor of Ayodhya and Valmiki's Ramayana as historical epic is widely acknowledged. Scholars and connoisseurs all over the world are fascinated towards the study and research of Valmiki Ramayana on different aspects. French edition Ramayana di Valmiki is the latest edition in translations of Valmiki Ramayana. It has 660 miniature paintings of Indian and Persian Ramayanas of 16th and 19th centuries. Publisher Diana de Celius says, reading or hearing the Ramayana is an experience in education. It helps us to get educated and go into fundamental truths, and that is exactly what education is meant to do, to help you in your search for truth. New creations in different forms and literature, art and architecture would continue to enhance the relevance of Ramayana. यावत् स्थास्यन्ति गिरयः सरितश्च महीतले तावद् रामायण कथा लोकेश प्रचरिष्यति. Ramayana Katha would flourish in the world as long as the rivers flow and the mountains stand erect on the earth. Namaskara. Thanks for watching. It would be nice to see your responses. As likes and comments, please subscribe. Earlier videos on Indian culture found in Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia and Japan may be watched in YouTube. Amrita Vahini 9845147080. Earlier videos from Dr. Jayanti Manohar. Indian culture in transoceanic countries, Hindu Devatas in Japan, commentary in Kannada. Indian culture in Cambodia, commentary in English. Kannada video on Cambodia, Cambodia ದೇಶದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಭವ್ಯ ಸ್ಮಾರಕಗಳು. Indian culture found in Thailand, Devabhoomi, commentary in English. Indian culture found in Thailand, Devabhoomi, commentary in Kannada. Indonesia, cultural bond with India, commentary in English. Kannada video on Indonesia's cultural bond with India.